Hello everyone, this is Shivangi Tiwari from Smart Step Classes, and today we are going to do a detailed video on study in Ireland. Why to study in Ireland, the eligibility, the course options available, university and the visa process. So talking about the few quick 5 points to study in Ireland are, so we have got the traditional education. So when I talk about the tradition, the universities are established from 1864 since date. Talking about the global profile, so universities are there with the top 1% of the rankings globally accredited. Then we have the global community, so you'll be able to find the students up to 6,000 plus inter-community students. And then we have the global career, so it has a dedicated structure for providing the global career sustainability to the students, and they are going to offer you the visa for up to 1 year post-study work permit. So talking about the University College of Dublin, which is located in Dublin. Now there is a program which is very popular there, and that is the Masters in Biotechnology and Business. So अगर आप इंडिया में आप अपना बीटेक कर चुके हैं या आपने अपना ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट कर लिया है जहाँ पे आपके पास एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम डिग्री है बायोटेक्नोलॉजी की. सो गाइज, अगर आप एक ग्लोबल फ्रंट पे देखते हैं, सो ग्लोबल फ्रंट पे इंडिया के अंदर मास्टर्स के लिए बायोटेक्नोलॉजी में बहुत ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल नहीं है, और अगर हैं भी सो समवेयर दे आर नॉट मीटिंग द ग्लोबल स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ एजुकेशन. अगर आयरलैंड की बात करूँ, ऑन द कॉन्ट्री हियर, सो आयरलैंड के अंदर टॉप 10 हेडक्वार्टर्स हैं आपके टॉप फार्मास्यूटिकल्स कंपनी के. Right, so naturally if the companies are there, so definitely the employability is also going to be very higher. Right, now talking about the credits and requirement, so UCD के अंदर University College of Dublin में जो आपका मास्टर्स इन बिजनेस एंड बायोटेक्नोलॉजी प्रोग्राम है, दैट इज लास्टिंग फॉर ओनली 1 ईयर. सो आपको मास्टर्स मिलता है सिर्फ 1 साल में, और जो आपका टोटल ट्यूशन फीस जाएगा दैट इज गोइंग टू बी अराउंड 30,000 यूरोज फॉर 1 ईयर. राइट, इसमें से इफ यू आर अ स्टूडेंट जिसका बैचलर्स में 75% से ज़्यादा मार्किंग रहा है, दे आर एलिजिबल टू अप्लाई फॉर द स्कॉलरशिप, एंड द स्कॉलरशिप इज गोइंग फॉर अप टू 7,500 euros per year. Now talking about the credit, so total इसमें जो मास्टर्स कंप्लीट करने के लिए आपको क्रेडिट्स चाहिए, दे आर गोइंग टू बी अराउंड 60, और उन 60 में जो मेजर इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट्स निकल के आते हैं, दे आर द ड्रग डिस्कवरी, द मेडिकल डिवाइस टेक्नोलॉजी, then you have the biomedical diagnostics, then you have regulatory affairs, then you've got the bioprocessing, in including some business programs like the marketing management, corporate finance, entrepreneurship, business plan development and biotechnologies case study. So if you look into the curriculum of this program, आप देखेंगे that you will not only be able to serve the biotechnology field, but also at a given point of time in career जहाँ पे आपको लगता है that I want to switch into the biotechnology field only, but into the management side. So that purpose is also going to be sorted with this. Now talking about the eligibility, there are 3 major eligibility. First, you need to complete your bachelor's in biotechnology with minimum score of 65% and above. You have to have your IELTS scoring जिसमें आपका 6.5. Now in Europe or in Ireland कहीं पे भी ये minimum requirement नहीं होती है that you have to meet out a particular requirement of band in per module. So overall 6.5 is going to work for you. PTE, TOEFL, all are acceptable. You need to have a strong SOP to justify your admission into the university. Now after that, you'll be needing 2 LORs. Try to take the LORs from your respective professors so that they can give good feedback to the university. Now a quick point about Ireland is, Ireland offers you the admission only on the basis of academics. Ireland do not look much for your extracurricular activity. So that is where the Indian students are matching absolutely as per the requirement, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ पे इंडिया में we focus a lot on our academics, right? So अगर आप एक throughout academic student रहे हैं जिसका extra curricular इतना strong नहीं है, then don't worry, don't lose hope, because Ireland has got opportunities for you, because the curriculum and standard of Ireland education system completely relies over your academic scores. Now talking about the visa process, guys, always remember Ireland का visa is going to be the toughest visa for you. So you'll be needing all the ITRs, you'll be needing the liquidated funds for the living expenditures. You need to have a medical test done, and you need to have the property evaluation done in order to show a strong profile. So if you have still any more query, don't forget to comment your query in the comment section, and we shall come with that in the next video. Till then, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.